So good evening to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Yes Bank share. So we know that today so many stocks were down. So yesterday also we have discussed one important stock, that is L&T. So we have discussed the levels. So if you have not watched the video, definitely you can watch that. So the levels were respected today. So we know that market also is in correction phase. So little downtrend was seen in every stock. So it's an opportunity for us to add in best quality stocks, especially for long term. So you also know that so many IPOs are also available. So personally I am suggesting don't apply all the IPOs. Mainly you can put one lot or two lots, that is more than enough. So don't put entire 5-6 lots, so that ultimately you will be blocking your funds, because ultimately they will get oversubscribed, so chances of getting the allotment is very less. So rather than investing all for the IPOs, you can keep little for the addition into long term stocks, because so many stocks have shown the downtrend. Okay, so you can apply for the IPOs, only put in small 2-4 lots, not more than that. I've seen so many people putting 10 to 14 lots, but they did not get even single lot. So when oversubscription happens, then ultimately only one lot will be allotted. So remember that as well. So now we'll discuss about Yes Bank. So we'll see the technical analysis. So we'll upgrade the level. So earlier when we discussed about Yes Bank, we discussed the fundamentals as well as the technicals. So now we'll see, we'll upgrade the levels and we'll try to find out the next set of targets. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. So we have seen many people asking why Yes Bank is not increasing. So since there are many positive news, since the State Bank of India as well as SBI Life Insurance also is trying to its maximum extent to deliver all the positive updates on Yes Bank. So even though why the stock is not increasing. So remember one thing, any stock whenever it wants any further movement, so trigger is required. So what is the trigger? So trigger is something which that comes from the market itself. So we know that currently market also is in downtrend, so nothing much to worry about that. So if market is down, so we can expect the stock to either move when the market also starts with heavy buying. So currently we know that so many IPOs are there, so profit booking is happening. So majorly the DIIs as well as the FIIs are not investing into the market. So once that starts, then definitely each and every stock that is having a huge potential will definitely show good movement in coming we can say sessions. So today also when we see Yes Bank, so the buying quantity was also very huge and the deliverable quantity today has also increased. Okay, so remember that today also deliverable quantity has increased. So ultimately patience is required. So definitely I am suggesting to hold the stock for long term, and whenever you see any correction, add little quantity rather than putting entire investment. So that will be the best strategy. So if you see in 1 week itself, it has lost almost 9.28%, and if you see in 1 month 15%, 3 months 52%. So we can see nothing positive still in this particular bank. So consolidation is seen. Okay, if you see to the when we go to the technical chart, so clearly you can understand it is moving in a swing. So it is touching, it is respecting the levels, again it is going up, again it is retracing. So that momentum, so that heavy buying by the we can say big players is not happening. So at any point of time it may happen, so you need to have patience. So that is one important thing. So when we see what are the indicators suggesting, so you can see momentum of the stock is also completely reduced. Next, when we see the RSI, so clearly you can see RSI is near 34 and money flow index is near 47.4. So generally 30 below is called oversold region and 70 above is called overbought region. So technically also we are seeing almost they're approaching the oversold region, from where again a possible reversal also happens. So I am suggesting regularly that whenever correction happens, do put some cash in hand and then keep on averaging in best stocks which we have discussed. So earlier also discussed one excellent stock, that is XCLMPOC. So people who have bought this stock definitely mention. I have discussed about this particular stock in Telegram section. So when it was trading near 178 rupees. So today's market price, you can see it is almost 218 rupees. Okay. So continuous movement was seen. So multi-bagger stocks will not be known to us. Okay. So the stocks which are known to us, they are not multi-baggers. So much videos you will not see on these type of stocks. So they'll become multi-baggers slowly. Okay. So after they reach the highest point, so then many people will know that okay, this particular stock is present in stock market. So until then nobody knows about these type of companies. So I am discussing those type of companies. If you have not joined the Telegram, definitely you can join the Telegram as well. I will provide the link in the comment section. So now we'll move on to the technical charts and we'll do the technical analysis. So we're back onto the technical chart. So this is the technical chart. So clearly you can see a support is available for the company. So that is the 13 rupees level itself. So clearly you can see whenever it has touched this particular level, you can see a movement was seen. Again it has touched this. Again it was moving in this particular range. So consolidation is seen in this particular region. So tomorrow, if you see tomorrow, I think probably if the market is in positive move, definitely this particular stock will start showing momentum. So people have added today, definitely don't do any sort of selling. It requires little much of patience. Okay. So next, when we see money flow index, as we discussed, is near the 47. So supports are 13 rupees level. So must watch it. So immediate, we can say targets would be 15 rupees if market sentiment is positive. Okay. So if market sentiment is positive, definitely the stock should achieve the 15 rupees level. So that also will be a crucial resistance, because from where it has corrected almost 2 times. So let it break out from that level. So then only we can see further journey in the stock. So what we can see in 1 week chart. So 1 week chart also, the stock, when it has respected the 11.15 rupees level, so some correction was seen. So again it has taken support here. So it is not going beyond that. So it implies that is a very strong support. So you need to wait patiently so that the further movement will be happen. So 15, 16, 17 should be achieved for long term. That may be for positional, or it may take few weeks or months time. So you need to have little much of patience. Okay. So as we discussed, the money flow index in 1 week chart, clearly 31 oversold region. Okay. So reversal may happen. So continuously no stock falls at any point of time. Some amount of retracement also happens. Okay. So this is all about Yes Bank. So if you're invested in this stock, definitely you can hold for long term. So whenever any market corrects, always search for buying opportunities. I've discussed very good stocks, Prince Pipes, XLM, POC. So many stocks are there. So go through all of that. So you'll find best stocks for long term. So until then, take care. Bye bye.